Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
वो धूपों में तपती जमीनों पे सजदे, सफर में वो घोड़ों की जीनों पे सजदे, चट्टानों की ऊंची जबीनों पे सजदे, वो सहरा बयाबां के सीनों पे.
One of the ways of getting closer to Allah Azza wa Jal is to imagine, sit down and just look at all the gifts Allah has given you. Just count them one by one. Just look at the gift of the eye, the gift of the ear, the gift of hearing, the gift of walking, the gift of breathing, the gift of writing, the gift of knowledge, the gift of being able to communicate with people, the gift of having friends, the gift of parents, the gift of children, the gift of life. Just look at the good things that you've got right now. Guess what? One thing is, it makes you feel a lot better. It makes you feel positive. It doesn't make you feel negative. And by remembering each one, just say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praise to Allah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Each time you say, do you know what? You're getting a lot of reward on one of these Alhamdulillahs. If it comes from the bottom of your heart, it can even fill your entire scales on the Day of Judgment, as mentioned in a Sahih Hadith of Muslim. So just get closer to Allah by remembering the gifts that He's given you.